Hey everyone, welcome to Erika Soul Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my deep fried catfish. But before we get started, I want to thank all of you for subscribing, watching, liking my videos. If you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe and hit the notifications bell as well. So here I have some farm-raised fresh catfish that I cut up. They were really big pieces. I cut them in fours, each piece in fours, and I washed and dried them. Guys, please excuse my voice. I'm a little under the weather, but in this part, I'm going to season the fish with some salt, some onion powder, some Old Bay, and a little paprika. So for the batter, I like to use flour and cornmeal. So I'm going to start with 1 cup of flour. I usually do half and half of the same, so I'm going to do 1 cup of flour, and then I'll move on to 1 cup of cornmeal. As always, I will leave a link to everything that I have used in this video today in the description box. So if you need to purchase something that I'm using, feel free to click on the link below in the description box and it will send you right to the items I'm using. So again, the cornmeal measurement is 1 cup. So I'm just going to mix those two together and then give them a little stir. Make sure it's all thoroughly mixed and combined. And then we'll move on to the next step. Before I cook my fish, I usually dip it in milk and eggs. So you're going to need 1 cup of buttermilk. Next, you're going to scramble 2 eggs to put into the buttermilk. So in a big enough bowl so you're able to dip the fish, you want to pour the buttermilk in a bowl and combine that with the egg. Now I did not have buttermilk, so I used regular milk, which you can do, but it would have been a lot better if I would have had buttermilk, so I didn't. I just improvised and used what I had. Now I'm going to coat my fish with the milk and egg, and then I'm going to dip it into the cornmeal and flour batter. I want to point out that I'm going to be using a deep fryer to fry this catfish, so I already have that preheating while I'm coating all my pieces. So now I'm adding all my fish into the deep fryer. So the good thing about this is that I can usually get about 4 or 5 pieces into the deep fryer and they will cook evenly. I tried to record the footage, but it kept fogging the camera up. So I try to get a little bit so you can get an idea of how it looks when it's in the fryer, how it turns out after being in there for a little while. So now I'm going to set these on a drying rack and let these cool down. So here they are, guys. This is the finished product. This is how it looks. It's nice and crunchy. It has a great texture. Like I said, if you use buttermilk, it'll probably come out even better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe, like, comment, share, do all that stuff. Make sure you hit the notifications bell so you know when I post a new video, and make sure that you click the links under my description box so that you can purchase anything that I had in this video. I thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.